welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get mods on Gorilla Tag, but I'm doing this on Steam. And let's get started. Alright, first go to the link in the description and download the Monkey Mod Manager. When you have that, I'm just drag it to this computer. Yeah, you select Beppen in X and Utila, and then you click install/update, and then it should say that it's updating or installing here. Then when you're done with that, you could close Monkey Mod Manager down and just put it at the side. Then you wanna get here I have my mods, but I'm gonna link the mod menu I'm gonna show in this video in the description, so you guys can also get it. But then you go in your Steam. Yeah, it's opening up. In the meanwhile, you should probably go and subscribe and like the video. Alright. Now here, you go to your library. You go here to your Gorilla Tag. You click on Manage. Then Manage here. And then and then you go to this. It says, in English it says local files, but for me it says something else because I live in a different country. Click on that. It should open up your files here, yeah. And you go in Beppen X and the plugins, and then like this is the mod I'm gonna use for the video, just to show. But we have Mono Sandbox here. Yeah, so if you have any mods, you just drag it into to the plugins folder, and then we close it down. And yeah, if you're using legal mods, you need a special utila, and if you're using illegal mods, you need a different utila. So join my Discord server in the description, so you can get all the mods I'm using and all the utilas. And then you just play, and you go in a legal lobby. I'm modded. Yeah, have fun. See you guys.